Hey friends, Friba here. Today I'm gonna show you this famous linen stitch. This is the most popular stitch that you can use for many projects, especially for hats, for cardigans, and anything that you need the fabric which is very dense. Depending on the yarn and the needle you are gonna use, you can have it much more denser or stretchier. Here I have used number 5 yarn. This is very thick yarn with 7 millimeter needles, and still it has a little bit of stretch. I love the way it looks. This is the back side and this is the front side. For the information of the yarn, I'm gonna put it in the description below for anyone interested. For today, I'm gonna use this yarn, which is number 4. This is worsted weight yarn with 3.5 millimeter needles, just to show how it looks like in the finer yarn and needle. This pattern is easy, just repeat it in 2 rows, and you need to cast on a multiple of 2 plus 1. It means any odd number will work. For this tutorial, I'm gonna show the first 2 repeats with the continental holding, and later I will repeat row 1 and 2 in English style. Here I have 13 stitches. I will start the pattern right from the cast on edge. So our stitches are, we're gonna have edge stitches here. This will be my edge stitch at the end and at the beginning. For the beginning stitch at the first row, I will knit. For the following rows, I will slip this stitch. Now I will start the pattern right from here. Between these 2 stitches, we're gonna knit 1 and slip 1. But you're gonna make sure when you are slipping your stitches, your yarn is in front side. And the front side is where your yarn tail is on the right side. I will bring the yarn to the front, slip 1 stitch purlwise, then bring the yarn back and knit 1. So simply you slip 1, knit 1. We're gonna repeat these. Yarn front, slip 1, knit 1. 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 At the end of the row, you're gonna have 1 slip 1, and you're gonna knit the edge stitch. We finished the first row. For row 2, we're gonna work the purl row. It means we're gonna work purl stitches and slip stitches. All the slip stitches here in return row needs to have the yarn at the back side, because we need those yarn bars at the right side of the work. I will slip the edge stitch. Then you're gonna look at your stitches. You're gonna see you have 1 stitch which is long, the other one is short. The one that is long, it means we haven't we slipped this stitch in the previous row. Then I need to purl this stitch. Yarn front and purl. Then bring the yarn to the back and slip 1. You're gonna bring the yarn to the front, purl 1, and yarn back, slip 1. Yarn front, purl 1, yarn back, slip 1. Again, just pay attention, those longer stitches, they need to be purled. And when you are slipping, your yarn is at the back side. Purl 1, yarn back, slip 1. At the end of the row, you're gonna have one purl stitch, and then you're gonna knit the edge stitch. You're gonna repeat these two rows. I will repeat one more time. Here I'm gonna use the English style holding. If you take a look at your stitches, you're gonna see you have one knit stitch here. Next to it, there is a stitch with bar in front. It means I haven't knit this one or purled this one in the previous row, then this need to be knitted this row. This will be a slip stitch, this will be knit stitch, and we are in the right side. Slip the edge stitch here. Then while the yarn is in front, because we need to have the yarn in front when we are slipping in the right side, I'm gonna slip this stitch knitwise, sorry, purlwise to the right needle. Then I will take this yarn back and knit the next stitch. Yarn front, slip one, yarn back, knit one. Yarn front, slip one, yarn back, knit one. Yarn front, slip one, yarn back, knit one. You see those lines in front of stitches. When we bring the yarn to the front, slip one, then take it back, we have one bar over that stitch. Knit one, yarn front, slip one, yarn back, knit the edge stitch. This is very simple pattern, but you need to know your stitches to work easily. We're gonna repeat row 2 one more time with English style this time. Slip the edge stitch. Now take a look at your stitches. You have longer stitch and shorter stitch. In the wrong side, the longer stitch, we're gonna purl. Now you're gonna bring the yarn back and slip one. Yarn front, purl one, yarn back, slip one. Yarn front, purl one, yarn back, slip one. And at the end, yarn back and knit the edge stitch. So here I have the wrong side. They look like dots here. On the right side, you have that linen kind of fabric. If you have any questions, let me know. I will be glad to answer your comments. Have a wonderful day.